Monday Minute at Automation Direct. We now have Quabbin brand Cat5e Industrial Ethernet Cable available at Automation Direct in our popular cut-to-length cable option. Quabbin DataMax Extreme Industrial Ethernet Cable jackets were developed to survive the many industrial hazards that commercial jackets will not. Quabbin Cat5e Industrial Ethernet Cable has a UL PLTC rating, allowing it to be installed in a cable tray without the need for conduit. With its 22-gauge conductors, it works well in Power over Ethernet applications. The rugged jacket has excellent chemical, moisture, and flame resistance and exceptional low-temperature flexibility. Designed for use in Ethernet IP systems, the cable has 4 twisted paired, 22-gauge, solid unshielded conductors. Black or teal jacket colors are available. The cable is in compliance with TIA 568-C.2 and TIA 1005 and is UL Type CMX OUTDOOR -CMR, CMX, and UL AWM Style 2463 rated. Cut-to-length and 1-foot increments Quabbin Industrial Ethernet Cable from Automation Direct is 54 cents per foot with 20-foot minimum. Learn more by visiting AutomationDirect.com/Cat5e-Cable. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.